Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking third standard SST subject. Today's our first topic is early humans and their discoveries. In previous class, you have learned about early humans and their discoveries, nomads, tools and weapons, discovery of fire, and from nomads to settler. Now, in this class, you are going to learn about the barter. Often, early humans produced more than they could consume. This gave them the idea to give away the extra things they produced to people who did not produce them but wanted them. In return, they took from them the extra things that they produce. This exchange of goods for other goods without using money is called a barter. Barter is a system of exchange where participants in a transaction directly exchange goods or services without using a medium of exchange. People can successfully use barter in many almost any field to exchange goods, services, property for other good, etc. without using money are called a barter. For example, if the two can find each other person, A might trade one of his chickens for a half bushel of person and B's apples. No medium of exchange is used. Here, no medium of exchange is used. Next, domesticating animals. Domesticating animals. Life became simpler once early humans learned to domesticate animals. The cow gave them milk, the donkey carried loads, the sheep gave them meat, the dog helped to guard their sheep from wolves. They were able to use the skin of dead animals to keep warm in winter. The domestication of animals is the mutual relationship between animals and the humans who have influence. These traits make domestic animals different from their wild ancestors. For example, the donkey carried loads, the sheep gave them meat, the cow gave them milk. Next concept is invention of the wheel. In the beginning, early humans carried goods on their back, dragged them along the ground, or made their donkeys carry them. Soon, they made sledges with wood and animal skin to place the goods in. All pulled the sledges along the ground. They found that by making grooves on the sleds and attaching logs of wood as handles, they were able to pull the sleds easily. Early humans rolling wooden logs downhill. People may have observed wooden log and rocks rolling logs together making a raft, and that helped them to travel by wood. Next, Iron Age. Early man discovered that certain stones could be melted with fire and turned into metals such as iron. With iron, they were able to make stronger and better tools. Iron tools were used to clear forests and grow crops in the clearings. The Metal Ages were periods of discovery, invention, and exploitation of various metals producers procedures. Iron Age. The Iron Age started in different dates everywhere since it spread slowly. It helped in many ways culturally, politically, socially, and economically. So, students, now let's learn some new words. Nomad. Meaning of nomad: a person who does not live in one place but moves from one place to another. Next word is settler. Meaning of settler: a person who lives in one place. Domesticate. Meaning of domesticate: to tame a wild animal. Next word is sledge. Meaning of sledge: a vehicle which has long logs of wood instead of wheels. Next word is yarn. Meaning of yarn: thread. Next word is groove. Meaning of groove: a long, narrow cut made into the surface of a sledge. For example. So students, now we will do some exercises. Tick the true statements and cross the false ones. First one is early humans lived in stone house. Answer is false. This sentence is false. Second, early humans used a gun to shoot wild animals. This sentence also false. Third, early humans learned to grow plants from seeds. Answer is true. This sentence is true. Next, early humans found that the soil in the river valley was fertile. This sentence is true. Last one is early humans did not know what to do with the extra crops they produced. This sentence is false. Next question. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First one is, who is a nomad? And the answer is, a nomad is a person who does not live in one place but moves from one place to another, constantly in search of food. Second question. Name the place where the early humans slept at night. And the answer is, early humans slept inside the hollow of a tree or a cave. Third question is, list the food items eaten by the early humans. Answer is, early humans hunted animals, ate fruits, leaves and roots of certain trees. Fourth question, name the crops grown by the early humans. And the answer is, rice, wheat, maize and potatoes were grown by early humans. Next question, the early humans liked to live in river valley. Why? And the answer is, the early humans liked to live in river valley because the soil there was very fertile. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Read and write question and answers. Lesson number 1, early humans and their discoveries, in your SST homework book and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.